Choosing a product for your build or remodel can mean making sacrifices in cost or performance. If you save on resources, you may have to sacrifice quality, but prioritizing quality can bust your budget quickly. With LP SmartSide Trim and Siding, you'll no longer have to choose. LP SmartSide products offer advanced durability that saves time and money. By decreasing installation times and keeping labor costs down, you can keep your project's bottom line in great shape while getting the quality performance you demand. But you don't have to take our word for it. We put it to the test. LP worked with an independent third party to conduct a time and motion study to examine productivity differences during LP SmartSide installation compared to competitor siding products and their installation processes. The layout and specifications of the installation were intended to represent a typical, modest two-story house. Professional installers with varying levels of experience worked together to install each siding product against the clock, and the results spoke for themselves. Because LP SmartSide Trim and Siding features lighter weights and longer lengths, the study reported faster installation times. Compared to fiber cement in particular, these factors make installation much easier and quicker. For example, installers were able to pass a 16-foot piece of LP SmartSide siding up a story to another crew member with ease. And the numbers confirm it. LP SmartSide lap siding was shown to be installed up to 22% faster than fiber cement lap. With LP SmartSide lap siding, you're not only installing siding faster, you're using a durable product that can stand up to impact, weather, and more without sacrificing curb appeal. When it's put to the test against its competitors, LP SmartSide Trim and Siding proves to be a great economic choice for your business. By installing LP SmartSide Trim and Siding, you'll invest in durability that saves time and money. Keep your projects on target and on budget with LP SmartSide Trim and Siding.